Hey everyone, my name is Quincy Davis and welcome back to another Jazz Drummer Q-Tip of the Week, where I break down and demonstrate various jazz techniques, concepts, and approaches that can be applied to any genre or style that you're most interested in. Okay, before we get into this lesson, I need to give a quick shout out to my main man, Jon McCaslin, who sent me this t-shirt, which is a little too small for me. I should have ordered a large. But he's doing wonderful things for the drum community. He has a wonderful blog. He does drummer interviews. He's a great educator. Amongst all that, he's a great drummer as well and a great cat. So thank you, Jon, and make sure you follow him. I'm going to put all of his information down below. So this lesson was requested by, I don't remember who, but somebody left a comment asking me to break down up-tempo comping. So as I always say, I listen to you guys. So thank you for all the ideas, and I write them all down, and I'm going to get to them eventually. This one I'm getting to right away because I just did a ride cymbal, up-tempo ride cymbal video that you can follow the link and check that out if you haven't already. So this kind of is coupled with that lesson. I want to talk about comping and give you a really great exercise that will help you kind of hear all the different partials in the measure, you know, within the pulse at a quicker tempo, which it gets harder to hear all those partials. And at a fast tempo, we don't really use more than 3 notes at a time when we're comping. Now, of course, there's exceptions to that rule, but generally for myself, I rarely will play more than 3 notes in a row between the snare drum and the bass drum. So this exercise is designed to help you get comfortable playing up to 3 notes in a row when you're comping and playing up tempos, okay? And there's 3 levels. The first level is 1 note. The second level is 2 notes. The third level is 3 notes. And with each level, we're going to be moving it through all the different partials in a measure off of the 8th note partials, okay? All right, follow along, and yeah, make sure before we start, make sure you practice this slow. I'm just going to demonstrate it at a quick tempo, but practice it slow and slowly build it up to a quicker tempo that challenges you. Okay? All right, here we go. That's a tricky one. All right, did you catch that? Now, as you can see, I'm moving on through all the partials off the 8th note grid. Okay, and again, you got to practice it slow first and slowly work your way up to that or faster. Also, I'm trying to stay, as I talked about in the ride cymbal video, try to stay as relaxed as possible. The natural tendency at these faster tempos is to tense up. We have to learn how to relax and just kind of enjoy the tempo more than fight the tempo, okay? All right, here's the next one, level 2. Okay, kind of flubbed one of those, a couple of those, but you get the idea. And again, practice it slow, slow, slow. It's not easy, so you got to take your time trying to get to those faster tempos. Okay, level 3. Okay, so we're going to play 3 notes now. For today, I'm going to just play two notes on the snare drum, one note on the bass drum. However, I want you to practice all different permutations. You can do bass drum, snare drum, bass drum, you know, snare drum, bass drum, snare drum. You get the idea, okay? Here we go, 3 notes, level 3. Let's see if I can do it. All right, so that's the exercise, and I know that if you take your time, you stay relaxed, you really strive to hear all those different partials, you mess with all the different permutations that are possible, it's going to really help you at those faster tempos. Okay, so take your time, be patient with this because it's not easy. As you can hear, even it kicks my butt still. So you got to just take your time with it. Until the next time, I think I'm going to do another lesson actually on comping at faster tempos, maybe more language based, and maybe something to talk about how I use the syncopation, Ted Reed's syncopation, to help me at those fast tempos comp. All right, until the next time, keep swinging, be patient, have fun practicing, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.